Pie toys. Hello my little pies, and today we won another giveaway from FiZZY Pop Toys. Link in the description, and also I have my pies with me, ShaPie and Cutie Pie. Anyways, we have such decorative packaging, and it's super cute because there's little zooms everywhere, and they're super cute. Also over here on the back, and I think it's just the cutest. Yum. Now I'm pretty sure all of us want to see what's in here, so let's open this up. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Is there confetti in there? Oh my goodness! Okay. So. Oh, what's this? It's a seriously LOL! These don't even sell where I am.
Okay, so we got. Oh, this is my little pony thing.
Oh!
Okay.
Also got candy.
Smarties.
Yeah.
Okay, we got Maynard's sour watermelon.
Oh, thank you.
Card. We have.
Oh,
okay, color cute. Okay, we'll see this last.
Let's snuff this all out. Oh, it's a Zoom! Lip smacker! I call dibs.
And this, more of the candy.
Oh, I love these little confetti things. Oh, these are so cool. Where's the LOL? Oh, Cutie Pie.
Yeah, so since we saw everything in the package, let's read the thank you card.
Cutie Pie.
Okay, thank you so much for taking part in my contest. I hope you enjoy your goodies. FiZZY Pop Toys.
Yeah, heart.
Oh, thank you, FiZZY Pop Toys, for sending us this amazing stuff. And the Series 3 LOL dolls.
We've been looking all over the stores, they're just empty. Probably have to wait way more earlier. Okay, here, number 1, secret message. Number 2, collectible stickers. Number 3, accessory. Number 4, accessory. Number 5, of course, the doll. And it can also color change if it does color change. Now, I want to open this first one. Catnap. Aww. Here, Shy, you take it over.
Okay, let's see.
You just open the zipper.
Oh no, it's hard.
I know, huh? And it's super messy.
Okay. So, the sticker.
It's a color changer.
Okay, here. Let's open the next wrapper.
You open the...
See what we have.
Oh, it's a dark pink ball. Hot pink. Bright pink.
Okay. So,
like neon pink.
let's see what we got in here.
Cutie
Here.
Pie.
I have no idea what this is. I think we have to make first. Okay. And this is, oh, it's the little thing that goes at the end of the ball.
Machine.
Help. Open.
Okay.
Something.
Okay. Okay, you put that in there. Now, let's open the other one. Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Oh, you opened the baby. I know. Get really.
Which one is
Oh, she's so cute. Let me see. Let me see. 2 different color hair. It looks like she's
Sia.
little snuggle babe. Oh, she does look like Sia. Oh, she's so cute. And let's see, she has a blue, so she's just popular. Not the highest, but the cutest.
Let's see what's in here. Oh, never mind. There's another one. You like the baby? Oh. Okay, let's see. This is a purse.
Aww.
Yeah, it's a purse. It says Dream Diary. Oh, it's a diary.
Ooh.
Okay. So let's see what's in the big one. Oh, it's hard to open. Okay. What in the? Oh, it's a hat. It's a hat with closed eyes. Cutie Pie.
So here we're gonna put if she is. See how she looks when she changes.
Oh, her diaper change. Oh, and her hair too.
Ooh. Oh, she does look like Sia. Oh, that too.
Look, her diaper changes to pink and purple.
Oh wait, there's something on her face. Let me just put it in. Oh. Oh, her hair is dark pink. She has sunglasses on. Her diaper changed. And she has little cute eyes on her bottom. Anyways, she is super cute, but bye-bye my little pies.